Hey everybody, this is Dro from The Dro Show, and I'm here to do a quick tutorial about how to apply press-on nails. I know quarantine is still going on, and even without quarantine, a lot of people do want to save money and things of that nature. So here's a quick and cute way to slay your nails at home. So let's get started. Let's get started with our supplies. So first you're going to need press-on nails, cotton balls, nail polish remover, nail glue, cuticle remover, a buffer, cuticle oil, and a nail clipper. So get these things and get prepared. All right, so I have my Kiss Gel Fantasy nails, and those are a bit see-through. I didn't even realize that because I was just so thirsty and excited, but it's okay. And I have my Kiss nail glue. I don't like the glue that comes in the packages, so I just got my own at Miss Walgreens. So with that being said, let's get started. First thing you want to do is clean your nails. Make sure you have all the polish off. So I tried girl, I'm sorry. I tried to do press-on nails last year and they did not work out, and let me tell you why they did not work out. Number one, peep what I'm doing. I'm buffing my nails, I'm filing them down so I can get rid of all of the ridges. So that is like one of the main things to do, so the nails will apply on nice and smoothly and they won't fall off. So the next step you want to do is go ahead and grab your cuticle pusher. Go ahead, push them back, cut them off if need be. Don't get too carried away because that mess can hurt, but you want to make sure your cuticles are pushed back in order for the nail to safely and securely fit on the whole nail. And it also gives it a nice, clean and polished look, just like you pay about $50 at the salon, but you actually pay under $10. Yes, so go ahead and we're going to go on to the next step. So this step right here is probably one of the most important steps that I have learned in this press-on nail journey. So remember I told y'all I tried this last year and my nails just, as soon as I put them on, they kind of fell off. So that's because, of course, I did not prep well. I didn't buff, but it's also because I did not use any nail polish remover. So you're probably like, well, why would you do that? So I learned this step from Love Your Natural on YouTube. Shout out to her. And what you're doing is you're going to get some nail polish remover, you're going to get some cotton balls, and just go over your nails, your natural nails, and just wipe down the surface. What you're doing is you're getting the oils and whatever else is on your nails off, and you want to start with an extremely clean and nice and oilless surface. So that is what's going to keep those nails intact for a good 2 to 3 weeks. This is extremely helpful. I'm so glad I learned this. A very good tip. All right, so we are officially ready to apply our nails. So I have my nails scattered about. So as I told y'all, these are see-through. I didn't even realize it because I was just so excited. I saw pink. That's my favorite color, and I'm like, let's go. But if you are going to do see-through nails, I would say it's best to cut your real nails down short. My nails grow pretty long and they're a little long in this video, so I should have did that. But next time, I'll learn. But some of the nails, I noticed they do have a little ridge on the top. So I am going through and kind of filing those down so it doesn't look janky or anything. So they can look as nice and professional as possible. So I am going back and kind of taking that excess oil off my nails as I showed you guys earlier. So what I am going to do, I'm going to get my glue because, as I said, no ma'am, I'm not doing that glue that comes in the package. I like the brush on glue. I think it applies better. I think it goes on the whole nail a lot better. So you go ahead, add that onto the nail. I know the instructions say that you should add it to your nail bed first, but I like to add it to the fake nail. So I'm going to go ahead and press that on. So when I put it on, I press it on for about a good 30 seconds just so it can be safe and secure. And voila, I'm gonna go ahead and add these on to all of my nails. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm all done here. So I think for the first time me doing this the better way in comparison to when I first did it, these came on pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it was one of them that was a little crooked, okay, but we're gonna move past that. But overall, these came out really good. They stayed on for a good 3 weeks. Some of them did fall off. I mean, that's natural, but I really enjoyed these. I think these were really dope. And since then, I've been rocking press on nails for the longest now, and I think I'm gonna keep doing it. I don't know if I'm gonna go back to the shop at least to get my nails done. It's really quick, really easy, cost efficient. I'm here for it. So you guys let me know how you feel about press on nails. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and share tips in the comments. Thank you guys so much for supporting, and you guys be blessed and stay blessed. Bye bye.